Discover a modern farmhouse retreat with stone fireplaces, timber ceilings, bold green cabinetry, and spaces designed for gathering. A home where natural textures and craftsmanship shine. The house showcases a farmhouse style with white siding, a metal roof, and a wide-screened porch that blends seamlessly into the wooded setting. The staircase features rustic wood railings, plaid carpeted steps, and a shiplap wall with solid timber posts adding strength and farmhouse character. The living room showcases tree-filled views, a wood-paneled ceiling, and earthy seating, while the kitchen highlights green cabinetry, warm wood, and a central island with layered textures and clean lines. A bright breakfast nook features a built-in bench, green cabinetry, a wooden table with black chairs, and a wood-paneled ceiling framed by large windows. The living room is anchored by a stone fireplace and timber mantel, with seating oriented toward both the hearth and outdoor views, unified by wood ceilings and natural tones. The sunroom features floor-to-ceiling windows around a stone fireplace, with modern furnishings that balance comfort and openness while keeping the landscape as the focus. The front porch features cushioned seating, wood decking, greenery, and a ceiling fan for a relaxed outdoor extension of the home. The primary bedroom blends a wood-paneled ceiling, white shiplap walls, and corner windows with woven shades, plus a desk and upholstered bed for comfort and function. The powder room pairs bold patterned wallpaper over white wainscoting with a wood vanity, bezel sink, mirror, and sconce lighting for a striking compact look. A hallway corner features a pale dresser under a wood ceiling, while another bedroom blends a vaulted wood ceiling, cream walls, and light bedding with dark accents for a calm, balanced look. The shower blends black framed glass, white tile, dark stone, and warm wood, while the vanity pairs rustic wood, a dark top, black mirror, and brass sconces for a modern, warm feel. The mudroom features herringbone brick floors, shiplap walls, dark cabinetry, and a wood bench with hooks for a practical yet farmhouse look.